All right, number 19, it wants to know the perimeter of the triangle to the right. Now, we could come in here because we know the two triangles are similar. We could come in here and find this length by setting up a proportion, then find this length by setting up a proportion. We could do that, but it's going to be easier if we simply say, hey, which side corresponds to which side, and then the perimeter of this triangle to the perimeter of that triangle. And that's what we're going to do. So, first, what's the perimeter of this guy? His perimeter 10 plus 12 plus 8. His perimeter is 30. Okay, great. I don't know the perimeter here. That's what the question is actually asking me for figure 19. So, we have to figure that out. Okay, so let's see. The only side I have here is 6. And notice that 6 is between 50 and this has to be 70, 50, 60, 70. Here's 50, 60, 70. Who does that 6 correspond to? Well, between the 50 and 70 over here is the 10. So we're just going to go 10 corresponds to the 6. We're going to go from 10 corresponding to the 6 as the perimeter of this triangle corresponds to that perimeter. That perimeter of 30 corresponds to the perimeter of the smaller triangle, which we know has to be less than 30, obviously, because it's smaller. Now, we're going to go ahead and cross multiply or apply the means extremes property, butterfly method. 10p equals 6 times 30, 180 divided by 10. The perimeter of our buddy here is 18. So there we have figure 19.